In this step, we will use a 3-axis deburr toolpath to deburr the top edges of this face. A deburr toolpath is used to break edges for 3 to 5-axis machining and to remove burrs. Deburr toolpaths support only ball end mills and lollipop mills for undercutting. This deburring module will create a deburring toolpath on the outer edges of the part geometry. The position of the tool center relative to the edges is always the bivector between the two surfaces of that edge. Select toolpaths if necessary, expand multi-axis, and then select Deburr. Right-click in the tool list and select Create Tool. Change the type to Lollipop Mill and select Next. Change the cutting diameter to 0.5, the overall length to 5 if necessary, and the cutting length to 0.4. Change the shoulder diameter to 0.375, and the shank diameter to 0.75 if necessary. Change the taper length to 1.75, and this value should update automatically. Select Next. Under Milling, make sure Rough and Finish are enabled. Change Rough XY Step Over to 30, Rough Z Step Down to 20, and then the Finish Step Overs to 10. Select Finish. Make sure the tool is selected. Enter the comment 3-axis deburr toolpath the top edge and hole. Select Cut Pattern. And for machining geometries, click on Select. Zoom out and drag a window around all of the geometry and click, then press End Selection. For edge definition, click on User Defined. Then click on Select, and select this face. Then press OK. Set the number of cuts along edges to 4. And make sure it's set to flat. Select Tool Axis Control and make sure machining type is set to 3-axis. Select Linking. Change the rapid distance to 2 and leave the rest of the values at their default and press OK. Backplot the operation. When backplot is finished, press OK. Then verify the operation. When verify is finished, close the simulation window. Return your view to isometric and toggle the toolpath display off.